Hey Fact Blasters! Welcome back to Fact Blast, where fun meets facts. Today, we're going on a wild ride through 25 amazing facts about our home planet, Earth. Some will blow your mind, others will make you laugh, and a few might even make you question everything you thought you knew. Let's jump into it. One Earth isn't a perfect sphere, it's actually an oblate spheroid, which means it bulges slightly at the equator and is flattened at the poles. This happens because of the centrifugal force created by Earth's rotation. So, if you were to measure around the equator, it'd be about 43 kilometers longer than pole to pole. 2. It spins at 1,670 kilometers per h. At the equator, Earth spins at roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. Luckily, we don't feel it because we're moving with the planet. It's like being in a car on the highway. You don't feel the speed unless you stop. 3. Earth has a magnetic shield. Earth's magnetic field, generated by molten iron in the outer core, shields us from harmful solar winds and cosmic radiation. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist, and satellites would be constantly bombarded. 4. It's the only known planet with plate tectonics. Our crust is broken into plates that float on the mantle and move around. This movement recycles carbon, shapes continents, and causes earthquakes. No other planet we know of has this dynamic geology. 5. The Earth's inner core is hotter than the Sun's surface. The core reaches over 5,000 degrees Celsius, 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit, while the surface of the Sun is around 5,500 degrees Celsius. This heat is a leftover from Earth's formation and ongoing radioactive decay. 6. The Moon is drifting away. Each year, the Moon moves about 3.8 centimeters farther from Earth. This is due to tidal interactions. In the distant future, this will affect tides and may even change the length of our days. 7. Over 8,000 satellites orbit Earth. From weather tracking to global internet, these satellites form an invisible web above us. Some are active, many are space junk, and all are reminders of how much we rely on space tech. 8. Earth is 71% water, but only 3% is fresh water. The rest is salty ocean. And of that 3%, over 2/3 is locked in glaciers and polar ice caps. Freshwater access is actually rare. 9. Antarctica is a desert. It receives less than 20 mm of rain a year, making it the driest place on Earth. Deserts are about dryness, not heat, and Antarctica fits the bill. 10. We've explored less than 10% of our oceans. Despite all our technology, we've barely scratched the surface. The ocean floor is still mostly unmapped, which leaves endless room for discovery. 11. There's more water in the atmosphere than all the world's rivers. Our skies are loaded with water vapor, about 12,900 cubic km worth at any time. This moisture drives our weather systems and regulates Earth's temperature. 12. The Mariana Trench is deeper than Everest is tall, located in the western Pacific. It's over 11,000 meters deep. If you dropped Mount Everest into it, the peak would still be underwater by more than a mile. 13. The largest living organism is a fungus. A honey fungus in Oregon spans 3.4 square miles. Most of it is underground, connected through a vast network of mycelium. 14 trees talk to each other using underground fungi networks. Trees share nutrients and send chemical alerts. It's like a forest internet. 15. There are more ant species than mammals. With over 12,000 known ant species, they far outnumber the 400+ species of mammals. They live in nearly every environment. 16. The Amazon creates its own rain. Through transpiration, Amazon trees release moisture that forms clouds and rain, sustaining the forest itself. 17. Life on Earth is over 3.5 billion years old. The earliest life was simple single-celled organisms in the ocean. Multicellular life came much later. 99% of all species that ever lived are extinct. Through 5 mass extinctions, Earth has wiped out nearly all species more than once. Evolution is tough. 19. A teaspoon of soil contains more microbes than people on Earth. Over 7 billion microscopic organisms live in just 1 spoon of soil. Many are vital to ecosystems and plant growth. 20. Earth's gravity isn't the same everywhere. In places like Hudson Bay, gravity is slightly weaker due to glacial activity. It's not huge but measurable with sensitive instruments. 21. 10% of Earth's surface is covered in ice, mostly found in Antarctica and Greenland. These ice sheets store most of the world's fresh water and reflect sunlight back into space. 22. The hottest temperature ever recorded was 56.7 degrees Celsius. Furnace Creek, California holds the record. It's hot enough to melt tires and bake cookies on your dashboard. 23. Earth is hit by 100+ tons of space dust every day. Micrometeorites burn up in the atmosphere, but thousands reach the surface. We're part of an ongoing cosmic dust storm. 24. Earth once had 18-hour days. The moon's gravitational pull is gradually slowing Earth's spin. 1 billion years ago, days were much shorter. 25. The Earth wobbles called axial precession. This wobble takes 26,000 years to complete. It changes our view of the stars and affects long-term climate. Phew! 25 wild facts about Earth and we're still just scratching the surface. Which one shocked you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments. Quickfire quiz. What's the actual shape of Earth? What percentage of Earth is water? What's the deepest point in the ocean called? What's the largest living organism? How fast does Earth spin at the equator? Answers. Oblate spheroid, 71%. Mariana Trench, honey fungus, 1,670 kilometers per h. Smash that like, hit subscribe, and don't miss our next episode of Fact Blast. Until next time, stay curious, stay awesome,